That's my name.
Welcome to the Void Skies, Sonic Air Studios. Enjoy the air. Guess what was that? You have finally some good news. That means you have been end of the series. And good job with that. And we interrupt your computer to give you a Sonic Gear C. Fate's final collision. You will receive a... There he is. Jump his ass. Oh god. No. Uh-oh, two of them are back. What are you two nonsense doing? Get off of me, you demon souls. What bloody thing you doing here? Do not play this game with me. You think that you could just send us to a void with an empty place? Well, you're dead one. Now your Sonic Air legacy is gonna get ended by this point. Any last words? No, go ahead. Fly me. Turn me into a Sonic Chicken Nugget. Wow.
Enough games. Going after fame is one thing, but killing with my friends? That's why I draw the line.
Whoa. If it isn't Jessica.
Now shut up for 1 second. You've been causing a lot of trouble, you young man and young lady. Now, we have decided to kill you off. And, once and for all, enough. Yeah, that's why you little shithead. No one because you are a little goddamn god. You are the Queen Scar, my civilized sister. And you are never stood up a chance. Any last words? No, just kill me. And I hope I'll get the Queen Scar MC, and you'll see. Okay then, you won't have a choice, because I warned you.
Oh, what the hell was that? Not so tough for you. Now you got yourself a die with a bone, who's the childish baby show character. Barney, at least come back to the redemption arc, okay? There will be the one more airs to go for you. No, you have pissed me off for the 3 weeks, okay? I will not tolerate this shit anymore. Now, you're going to...
Come here, Barney. I have something for you.
Yeah, that's why you were shithead. You are a literal goddamn Barney, the purple dinosaur. And right now, you are literally a goddamn baby show character. You are literally a goddamn Barney and Friends show. And you never stood up a chance. Any last words? How do you both know that I will not accept my defeat? Well then, I guess you won't have a choice then. Ring, 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 ring. Ring, 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 ring. I swear to God, if they two demons, morons, destroyed Sonic the Hedgehog, I will go finally after him. I will go finally after two demons and kill them off.
Yo, what's up with that? We're back.
Sonic and Jessica, did you two finally kill their team and morons off? You better tell me the truth right now. You finally guessed it. Yes, we finally killed two demons off. And also, forget about 100 chances. You will just go back to your section. And I will come back for the next season 3, the final of the series. Anyways, goodbye. Alright guys, I got my computer back. And that's the end of the season. And I hope to see you later. Goodbye for now. Yo, what's up my fellas? I'm back. And I want you to meet. Well, Jessica's coming, so I want you to meet Jessica.
Yo, what's up, kids?
Oh, and also, we already killed the Queen Scar and Barney, and he will not come back until he'll be returned until 2026. Anyways, it's time to take another family of Poto. And before we take a picture, let's see the baby eggs coming.
It's hatching.
Haha!
Oh my goodness! My son is so adorable! What should we name him?
I don't know, but how do we call him?
Oh, I know. We should name him Sonic B, aka Sonic Ball. But anyways, we should take another family photo. In 3, 2, 1. Bing, binking.